Hello kids, how are you today? We're gonna review this Avengers 2 box with 4 characters. Let's unbox it and take these great characters out of the box. Look at this. Here we go. Here we have the Captain America. It's great. Wow, look at this shield. Comes with this character. Let's put it here again. You can move the legs, the arms, the head, everything. This is a great toy. Look at this. With great colors. Let's see, who is this one? Quicksilver. Look at this great character, Quicksilver, with this moving arms, with this beautiful color and skin, really soft. It's easy to use. You can move the legs and you can move the arms. And I'm gonna show you something magic that has this Avengers 2 box. Look at this red light. By pressing this button here behind, like this, while you press it, you will see this excellent light effect in the chest. Isn't it great? Let's see who's here. Oh yes, the green creature, Hulk. The Hulk is ready. You can move the chest, the head, the arms, the legs, and you can also press here behind and you will see that red light. All these 4 characters comes with that red light there. Awesome detail. The Hulk. It's great. There you go. Okay, who is here? Oh, here is Thor. Comes with this great hammer. It's kind of heavy, the hammer, so it's really cool. This red hammer. Let me put this on. You can play around with these characters and manage them anywhere you go, because they are really light and great to carry. Look at this great hammer of Thor. Here you are. You can also move legs and arms and head. Everlasting toys, kids. Let's put it here. Look at this hammer. I can't believe this great hammer. It's really cool. So here is Avengers 4 pack with 4 characters. Excellent toy. Hope you like it, kids. And don't forget, we are gonna see you next time.
Hi kids, like this video? Subscribe on more videos.